Sam now smells like jam.
There once was a girl named Sam who thought smoking made her look glam.
But her breath was so bad, her friends all got mad.
She quit the habit to smell sweet like jam.
Smoking stinks. Don't do things that won't do good.
Tobacco? More like tobacco now.
Max spent his cash on chew, and quickly, his broke days just grew.
No games, no new kicks, no cash for seeing flicks.
Once he quit, he had funds in view.
Don't spend money on tobacco. It'll affect you in the long run.
Not a dream.
Kyle used to sleep like a dream till nicotine messed up the theme.
His heart raced at night. He tossed left and right.
Quitting helped him rest easy, his mind serene.
Nicotine adds stress to the body and mind. Don't start.
Kit quit. Kit reached for a vape when stressed, thinking it helped them feel their best. Soon, nicotine addiction became their affliction. They broke free to get more rest.
Don't let the vapes win.
Causes of nicotine.
Nicotine speeds up the heart and tears concentration apart.
Anxiety soars as withdrawal roars.
Quitting Nick gives your life a brand new start.
Quitting nicotine is better for your health.
Fighting the influence.
Mia saw her friends using Zyn. She gave it a try, hoping to fit in.
When cravings took hold, it was time to be bold.
Now she leads by example and wins.
Like Mia, help your friends fight the influence.
Emma and the first fresh breath.
Emma used to jog with a smile until smoking slowed her by miles.
Her breath wasn't right. Her chest felt too tight.
She quit so she could sprint with style.
Smoking can take your last breath.
Mason's last hit.
Mason liked the rush from a vape hit. Till one day, his heart wouldn't quit. It pounded so fast, he thought it would crash. Now he feels good by staying fit.
Stay healthy. Don't vape.
Mateo's big mistake.
Mateo thought hookah looked cool. So he smoked with his friends after school.
But dizziness came, and his lungs felt aflame.
Now he knows he was played for a fool.
You're not actually being cool, you're just being a fool.
The harmful treat.
Vapes may smell just like a treat. With flavors so sugary sweet.
But behind the disguise lies a harmful surprise.
So don't fall for nicotine's deceit.
Vape's trick, not treat.
Pip and the pollution problem.
Pip wanted to relax by the shore, but trash lining the beach was an eyesore.
The pods made vape waste made Pip leave in haste.
Now they fight for a sea clean and pure.
Don't litter and don't do drugs.
Sophia's cat. Sophia's cat loved to leap and play till smoke filled her home day after day.
Her lungs stung with pain. The vet saw the strain.
Now Sophia knows smoke-free is the way. Smoking affects more than just you.